Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unboxing an angle grinder attachment. I bought it from Daraz. So let's see without farther talk.
Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise.
It's a sanding pad with 10-piece sanding paper grid. There I have P120 paper grid. You can use other types of paper grid for different work.
So I won't hold back, and you should
It's very easy to remove and change paper grid.
know God, just have regrets. So I won't go back.
You can see threads in the back to attach angle grinder. Let's see how to use it.
And time I lost with no regrets. And the moon shine back again. And the moon shine back again. When I drove down to Abyss.
Now it's ready to play.
While I blame the world's neglect.
Now you can see how it works. If you want more video you can subscribe my channel. And don't forget about your safety. Thanks for watching.